Afternoon, everyone. Schyler here with Crypto Investors Academy. And today we've got a lot of activity going on, really. Altcoins are taking a dive. We've got Bitcoin on a rally just past 16,500, going up to test the $17,000 mark. I'm kind of curious if maybe by the end of the week we can see over 19,500, reach that $20,000 mark maybe, and a month, maybe 25,000. I see some people talking about it, so it's definitely possible, you guys. When I kind of look at this and think about how the market reacts when Bitcoin kind of gets going. Last night I was up real late and I stayed up until almost, 5 in the morning over here, Mountain Time in United States. And there's just so much activity, so much volatility with all the altcoins taking a dive. And I just saw that with Bitcoin going up as a prime opportunity to buy in on those lows with the altcoins. And so I got some steal of a deals. Some of them went a little bit lower and they'll work their way back up. I can't be the greediest person out there, but I'm definitely really, really happy with the buys that I was able to get, because it was definitely worth staying up for. And then vice versa, I wake up and I get up here in the morning and come on down to the office and pull up my computer here, and Bitcoin is just on a rally. It just continues to go up, and it passed its, if you look right here, this is right about 16,500 is where it had some resistance before and took a dive down, and we pushed past that just now. So that's looking really good. And so what I kind of wanted to do a video about and kind of look about here is a strategy for this. So I had a lot of Bitcoin. It was rising last night, not as high as it is right now, but it rose up pretty good from where it was. Altcoins took a dive. I bought in. So far, everything's going really great for me in that sense. And so now I want to see, well, what do I do with either getting more Bitcoin or selling off some altcoins that I've held on to for a long time, sell some profits on it, even though they're a little bit lower than higher. And so what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and I put some buy orders in. Went and put some buy orders in because this is going to be beautiful, I have a feeling. And I could be wrong, but this is how I'm looking at it, is that we're coming up here to 17,000. And I think we're going to get some pushback there, just like we did when we were over here. Okay. And I think that pushback is going to bring us down, and you can see where these spikes these retracements kind of come back down to these pullbacks are coming to like 16,400. And we got some really, good low buys in there, all the way down, all the way below 16,000. So for me, I feel like, we had a little drop here in the red, kind of zoom in so you can see that right here. I would not be surprised if this pulls back all the way to, 16,000, 15,800 even, and then goes right on back up for another one. But one thing that I do know is that, you look at the history of Bitcoin, and we've got huge run-ups like this, but most of them are just like these little ones here, pull back, little one, pull back, and it kind of goes like that. And if you look at the same size difference, this one's getting ready for a pullback, and I think it's going to happen at the $17,000 mark. So I'm going to I have Bitcoin, I'm going to set it as a sell order. I'm just going to sell half of it. We're just going to test this out. Not all my eggs in one basket, right? So sell half of it at 17. I'm going to see it should probably drop back. I'm going to put a buy order in at half of what I sell is going to be buy order at 16.5. Okay, because I think that sometimes most of the time when something is a resistance, it then becomes a support line. Okay, and so you can see a pretty good support line all the way back here for Bitcoin was really at that 16,000, $500 mark. And so I think that's what we're going to see here. I'll probably put a buy order in for 16,300 of half of what I sell, catch that on the down, and I'm going to put another half order in all the way down here at maybe 15.8 or even just 15.9, 15.8. Get really greedy with it and just see if that can't come all the way down. And so that's kind of my idea. What I'm doing with that, I'm just holding on to my altcoins that I purchased. I got them for a steal of a deal. Give it 5 days after Bitcoin's done rallying, and everybody's going to start flooding their Bitcoin into the altcoins again, and the altcoins are just going to surge up with Bitcoin and so forth. And we're just going to stay up there in those really, really nice highs. And my portfolio is going to look beautiful. So fingers crossed, that's my strategy that I'm going with and how I'm going to execute it. Go ahead and leave some comments down below and let me know what your strategy is and what you guys are doing to kind of react to this. Or maybe you're just hodling and just holding through it all. So either way, make sure to hit the subscribe button, you guys, and keep tuned for more updates and videos. Have a good day.